Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying load limits and VESA mounting holes. This prevents failure. Once you know the TV weight and wall type, you locate studs with a stud finder and mark 2 solid anchors. Make pilot holes, use the correct drill bit. This reduces wood splitting and ensures bolt thread seat properly. Make sure to have a partner ready for lifting. Heavier sets change the approach. You do these first steps to create a safe, repeatable attachment point before fitting the arm assembly. Next, assemble the arm and wall plate. Finger tighten fasteners so parts move for alignment, then position the plate over the marked studs. Use a level to ensure horizontal alignment. If the plate is off, the full motion range binds and stresses bolts. Drill and insert the correct length bolts into the stud center, then torque them to the specified value. This prevents loosening over time. Once mounted, lift the bracket onto the arm. Check swing and tilt clearance so the TV won't hit the wall or furniture. Finally, you attach the TV to the bracket, aligning VESA holes and using washers plus lock washers to prevent loosening. Once bolted, adjust tilt and pan tensions so the TV holds position without drifting. Tighten tension screws incrementally to avoid stripping. Test the full motion range slowly. Check for creaks or slippage. If movement is unstable, make sure bolts engage solid wood. If not, switch to rated heavy-duty toggles or relocate to a stud. This troubleshooting step prevents repeat failures and keeps your installation safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.